So over here you can see that I have a storyboard project right here, and then you can see that they are divided into scenes and panels right here. But if you want to add in another layer of division, then you can go around and add an act as well. So to enable our act, you need to go to edit, and then you need to go to preferences right here, and here you can see enable acts is an option. Once you click and press OK, you can see act is shown up right here just like this, and this is act 1. You can also go around and change it to act 2, then it becomes act 2 as you can see right here. So I'm just going to go around and change it to act 1 again, and then if you want to add in more acts, then you can go around onto storyboard, then you can go around onto new right here, and then you can click on start new act. And just like this, you can go around and then rename up the scene right here just like this, and then let's say you just want to like renumber the scenes or keep only the current scene in another act. You can go around, press OK, and you can see act 2 actually starts from here now. So this is act 1, this is act 2 right here, and you want to actually add in another act right here, then you can go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto a storyboard right here just like this, go to new, click on, let's say for example, start new act, and then this is what you have as you can see. So this is act 1, 2, and 3 respectively. And instead of saying like act numbers, you can also go around and say end right here. So let's say this is the act end right here, and this is going to be the act middle right here just like this, and this is going to be the act start or beginning right here. So I'm just going to go around and say start, and you can see that the acts are divided, and just by looking at these things right here, you know where certain acts start. So that is how you can enable acts, and then you can assign acts onto your scenes inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.